Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. For the last class you are learning from the first chapter applications of matrices and determinants. In the last class I have explained you about Cramer's rule. In that section only one example problem is left. So we are going to discuss that particular example problem now. That is Cramer's rule. Example number 1.24. Students, please refer page number 26 in your book. Example 1.24. An automobile company uses three types of steel, S1, S2 and S3, for providing three different types of cars, C1, C2 and C3. Steel requirement are for each type of car and total available steel of all the three types are summarized in the following table. So it is given in the table. You need to find, that is what you need to find in the sense. So you need to find, determine the number of cars. You need to find the number of cars and of each type which can be produced by Cramer's rule. You need to find the number of cars. Okay, C1, C2, C3. Okay, C1, C2 and C3. Here it is given in the tabular column. Using this we are going to form three equations and we will do. So C1, C2 and C3. Okay, so let us assume, let X be the number of cars of type C1, then let Y be the number of cars of type C2. Then next one is let Z be the number of cars of type C3. Okay, then there one tabular column is given, so using that we are going to write the three equations. So 3x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 28. Then next one is x plus y plus 2z is equal to 13. Then 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 14. Now I have formed three equations from the tabular column. Okay. So first what will you do? We will find the delta value. Then everything same. 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. How will you find the delta value? 3 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 2, 2, 1 you will get. Same as minus 2 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 2, 2, 1 you will get. Then next one is plus 4 into this and this will get cancelled. 1, 1, 2, 2 you will get. Okay. That is equal to 3 into multiply 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 2 is 4, minus 2 into 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 2 is 4, plus 4 into 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 3, 1 minus 4 means minus 3, minus 2, 1 minus 4 means minus 3, plus 4 into 0. Okay, that is equal to minus 9, minus into minus plus 6, that is equal to minus 3. It is not equal to 0. Understand? Then let's move to the next one, that is delta x. Okay, delta x. So delta x means you need to bring the constant here, that is 28, 13, 14, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. Shall we find? that is equal to 28 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 2, 2, 1 you will get. Same as minus 2 into this and this will get cancelled. So 13, 14, 2, 1 you will get. Then plus 4 into this and this will get cancelled. So 13, 1, 14, 2 you will get. That is equal to 28 into 1 into 2, 1 is 1, 1 minus 4. Minus 2 into 13 into 1 means 13, minus 14 into 2 means 28. Plus 4 into 13 into 2 means 26 minus 14. Do it very carefully. That is equal to 28 into minus 3 minus 2 into 13 minus 28. Okay. So 13 minus 28 means 5, 1. That is minus 15. Then plus 4 into 26 minus 14. That is 26 minus 14. You will get 2, 1. That is 12. That is equal to 28 into 3. That is 28 into 3. 8 3s are 24, 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2. That is 84. That is minus 84. Plus 30 plus 4 into 12. That is 48. So totally here if you add means you will get minus 84 plus 78. Subtract means you will get as minus 6. This is a value for delta x. Understand? Next what will you do? You will find delta y. So delta y is equal to first row as it is 3, 1, 2. Bring this constants to here 28, 13, 14. Last row as it is 4, 2, 1. Okay. That is equal to 3 into this and this will get cancelled. So 13, 2, 14, 1. Then next one is minus 28. This and this will get cancelled. So 1, 2, 2, 1. Then next one is plus 4 into this and this will get cancelled. 1, 13, 2, 14. That is equal to 3 into 13 minus 28. Minus 28 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. Then plus 4 into 14 minus 26. That is equal to 3 into 28 minus 13. 15. That is minus 15 minus 28 into minus 3 plus 4 into 26 minus 14 means you will get as minus 12. That is equal to minus 3 into 15 means minus 45. Minus into minus is plus. That is 28 into 3. 24 to 84. That is plus 84 minus 48. That is equal to, add these two numbers together, you will get minus 93 plus 84. Okay. So when you are subtracting, how much you will get? 84, 93. Is it right? So how much you will get? 13, 4 means S. Is it right? So 9. That is equal to minus 9. The value of delta y is minus 9. Understand? Many problems we had it. Because of that I am moving faster. Okay. Then next one is delta Z. How we will find delta Z? Delta Z is equal to the matrix. The determinant is 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 28, 13, 14. Okay. That is equal to 3 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 13, 2, 14. Next one is minus 2 into this and this will get cancelled. So 1, 2, 13, 14. Then next one is plus 28 into this and this will get cancelled. 1, 1, 2, 2. So that is equal to 3 into 14 minus 26 minus 2 into 14 minus 26 plus 28 into 2 minus 2. That is equal to 3 into, if you are subtracting 26 minus 14 means 2, 1. That is 12 minus 2. That is if you are subtracting 26 minus 14 means 2, 1. That is minus 12. This is 0. That is equal to 3 into 12 means how much you will get? 24, 36. That is minus 36. That is plus 24. that is equal to minus 12. Correct? This is a value for delta z. Now you know all the value delta x, delta y and delta z. That is delta x value you got as minus 6, delta y value you got as minus 9, delta z value you got as minus 12. Let us find x by Cramer's rule. So by Cramer's rule, x is equal to delta x by delta. That is equal to minus 6 by minus 3. It's equal to 2. Correct? Then how will I find y? Y is equal to delta y by delta. That is equal to minus 9 by minus 3. So that's equal to 3. Then z is equal to delta z by delta. That is equal to minus 12 by minus 3 is equal to 4. Now you got the value x as 2, y as 3 and z is 4. What they asked? The number of cars of each type. That is the number of cars of each type. Each type which can be produced are 2, 3 and 4. Understand? This is the answer. Okay, already we have did many problems. So now you are very familiar with this Cramer's rule. Okay. So in exercise you have completed. I hope you completed first 2 problems you completed. Then 4 more problems are there. I am not going to do the full problems. Just I will form the equation for all the 4 questions and I will leave you as a home assignment you need to do. Understand? So everything same. I will form the equation for the 4 problems. So rest of the problems you need to do as home assignments. Understand? So now exercise 1.2 problem number 3. Listen to the question. The total of 8,600 was invested in 2 accounts. One account earned 3/4% annual interest and the other earned 1/2% annual interest. If the total interest of 1 year was rupees 431.25, how much was invested in each account? They are talking about 2 accounts. Okay. So let x be one account and y be one account. Okay. First, how will you assume? Let x be one account. Let y be another account. Okay. It is given in the question, the total of 8,600 was invested in the 2 accounts. Now you have chose one account as x and one account as y. So the total of 8,600 was invested in 2 accounts means total. So how we will form the equation? X plus y is equal to 8,600. Understand? Then next one is one account earned 3/4%. Okay. So 3/4%, that is 3/4%. First you need to change it in improper fraction. So 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19/4. It is given in percentage. So you will divide by 100. Is it right? So 19/4 into 100x plus one more is given. And the other earned 6 1/2. So 6 1/2 in the sense 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 means 13/2. Is it right? So here also you need to divide by 100. So 13/2 into 100. Y is equal to, the value is given as 431.25. 431.25. Understand? This is equation number 1. Second equation you multiply. That is 19/400 into x plus 13/200 into y is equal to 431.25. Just to simplify, take the LCM. The LCM is 400. That is 19x. So when you are multiplying by the LCM, 13 into 2 you will get. Is it right? So 26y is equal to 431.25 you will get. Now multiply this with here. 19x plus 26y is equal to 400 into 431.25. So 19x plus 26y is equal to, multiply the two value. If you multiply it means you will get, multiply and check it. If you multiply means you will get this one. Now you got the two equations. Understand? So rest of the problem you need to complete. I have formed the two equations. So here one equation is there. Here one equation is there. Then apply the Cramer's rule and find out. How you will do? First you find delta. Next find delta x. Next find delta y. Understand? So afterwards you will find x, y and z value. So I think the book is not in your hand. So you can't able to check the answers. Because of that I am giving the answer alone. Okay. So if you are doing correctly, at last you will get the answer as x is equal to 7300 and y is equal to 1300. You will get the answer like this. Okay. So check it. Understand? Check it. Check the answer. So when you are doing correctly, you will get the answer like this. X for 7300 and y for 1300. You will get the answer. Understand? Do it and find out the answer. Okay. I will explain the next question. Next question very easy. You can do. That is from the tabular column itself. You can form the equation. At Marina, two types of game bus. So let us take the game bus. Two types of game buses. One is horse riding. Another one is quad bike riding. So let us take the number of hours for this one. Horse riding is x and this one is y. So how will you form the equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 780. Same as that 2x plus 3z is equal to 560. So two equations are there. By using Cramer's rule you find the x and y value. Understand? You can do. Then fifth question also very easy. Already we did in same as in one example problem. Same as the three equations you will get. How? X plus 2y plus 3z. Before that you take it. X be a, b as y and c as, so market surveys like that you can consider and find out the x, y and z value. Understand? Okay. Then sixth question is somewhat different. So I will form the equations for you. Okay. So in the sixth question they said the total of 8,500 was invested in the three interest earning accounts. So let us take the three interest earning accounts. Let us take, that is, let the sixth problem. Okay. Let the three interest earning accounts as x, y, comma z respectively. Okay. So now apply the given condition. According to the first condition, total of rupees 8,500 is, total of rupees 5,500 means x plus y plus z is equal to 8,500. Okay. Then next one is the interest rate were 2%, 3% and 6%. So 2% means how will you write? 2 by 100 into x. The next one is 3 by 100 into y percentage. Because of that, then next one is 6 by 100 into z is equal to 380. Now what's the LCM? 100 is LCM. So 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 380. Bring this to here. So how much you'll get? 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 3800. Okay. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. One more equation you will get. Listen here very carefully. And the amount invested at 6%. So the amount invested, that is, let the three amount invested, is it right? So amount invested means let is it only third amount invested, is it right? That is 6% means is it, yes or no? The given is 6%. So that z is equal to, the z is equal to the sum of the amounts of other two accounts. So z is equal to x plus y. Bring this to here. So x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Now you got equation number 3. Understand? Now I have formed the 3 equation. Then what will you do? First find delta. Afterwards find out delta x. then delta y, then delta z you have find and find out the x, y and z value. If you find the x, y and z value, you will get the answer. Understand? So up to here exercise 1.2 over. So in today's class I gave some work for you. Understand? So I have explained everything. Third problem I formed the equations for you. Fourth problem I explained. Fifth problem I explained. Sixth problem half I completed. Remaining you need to do. Okay. So today itself sit and complete all the questions. So 1.2 exercise over. Okay. 1.2 exercise over. So you have learned in the first section how to find the x, y and z as well as x, y. That is how to find the unknown values. How to find the unknown values by using rank method. How to find the unknown values by using Cramer's rule. Understand? Let's move to the next section 1.3. Let's move to the next section 1.3. Transition probability matrices. The session name is Transition Probability Matrices. Transition Probability Matrices. Okay. Just we are going to study some basic ideas in this section. When you are going for higher studies such as BCom in account section anywhere, you will study this particular section as very detailed. Okay, so here only they are giving the basic idea and here we are using one small formula. Okay, so that alone we are going to study. Okay, directly we are going to move to the problem. In the problem whatever we need I will explain. Understand? So let's move to the question. Example 1.25. Okay, consider the matrix of transition probabilities of a product available in the market in two brands A and B. So A, B, 0.9, 0.1, 0.3, 0.7. It is A, it is B. Determine the market share of each brand in equilibrium position. Okay. Solution. Listen here very carefully. I will explain. Okay. So first one is transition probability matrix. Transition probability matrix. So transition probability matrix we will notate by a letter T. Okay. Transition probability matrix how we will notate? That is T. I am writing the transition probability matrix. It is given AB, 0.9, 0.1, 0.3, 0.7. Okay. So here it's only one small formula. That is they asked brand in equilibrium position. So at equilibrium you need to find. Understand? At equilibrium. So here it is very important. At equilibrium, what's the condition? That's a small formula. AB into the transition probability matrix is equal to this AB where A plus B is equal to 1. The meaning is if we are adding this A plus B, you need to get 1. That is at equilibrium. This is a small formula here we are using. That is AB into T is equal to, that is AB into transition probability matrix is equal to AB where A plus B is equal to 1. That is add and see. 0.9 plus 0.1 how much you will get? 1 is 0.3 plus 0.7 how much you will get? 1. Then one more condition, all the entries must be less than 1. Okay, all the entries must be less than 1. This is a small condition here we are going to use at equilibrium. Understand? So now I am going to substitute here. AB means that is AB. Same AB. Then transition matrix 0 0.9, 0 0.1, 0 0.3, 0 0.7 is equal to AB. I substituted just the T value here. Okay. So now I am going to multiply this A with this one. Okay. 7 method, you know, is it right? So same as that, row column. First row and column you will do, is it right? So A into 0 0.9 means 0 0.9 into A. Then multiply this with the 0 0.3 into B. So corresponding here what's there? A. Understand? So just I multiplied with this A alone. That is what happened. Sorry, A and B. So what will happen? 7 method you will do, is it right? So this one and this one is equal to A. So next one if you are doing means what will do? This with this one, that is equal to B. So another one set you will get. So any one if you do means that's enough. Okay, so our main aim is here we need to find the value of A and B. That's all. Understand? So at equilibrium this is very important. This is very important. At equilibrium this is a small formula we are using. So here A and B value we need to find. Okay. So here what we are going to do in the sense, here A is there, here B is there, here A is there. We need to eliminate any one of the value. For that, from here, from this one, I am going to find the B value. So what will happen? B is equal to 1 minus A. I brought this A to this side. So now substitute B is equal to 1 minus A. Substitute here, what will happen? 0 0.9A plus 0 0.3 into 1 minus A is equal to A. So 0 0.9A plus 0 0.3 minus 0 0.3A is equal to A. Okay. So what will happen? Collect all the A terms together. Okay. Collect all the A terms together. So what will happen? 0 0.9 minus 0 0.3 means 0 0.6A. Okay. Plus 0 0.3 is equal to A. Now again bring this to here. 0 0.3 is equal to A minus 0 0.6A. A means what's the meaning? 1, is it right? So 0 0.3 is equal to 1 minus 0 0.6 means how much you will get? 0 0.4A. So what will happen? A is equal to 0 0.3 by 0 0.4. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 and cancel means what will happen? 3 by 4. Now you got the value of A. Now substitute A is equal to 3 by 4 in B is equal to 1 minus A. Substitute here. B is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 4 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. So this is B value, this is A value, that is A is equal to 3 by 4. Understand? Very easiest one. So only one thing is at equilibrium. This is very important. In the question they asked the value of A and B at equilibrium. So the condition or otherwise the small formula, that is AB into T. That is T is transition probability matrix is equal to AB, where A plus B is equal to 1. Okay. So AB into transition matrix is equal to AB. So now what I did? I multiplied, that's all. A into 0 0.9 plus B into 0 0.3 is equal to particular A. So substitute B is equal to 1 minus A. If I substitute in this equation B is equal to 1 minus A, from that I will obtain the value of A. Okay. Now substitute this A value in B is equal to 1 minus A. From that you will obtain the value of B. Understand all of you? I hope you all got it. Okay. So from this you can write the answer. How we will write the answer is, that is, hence the market share of brand A and brand B separately you need to write. Is it right? Hence share of brand A. What is brand A? Brand A. So A is equal to 3 by 4 you got. B is equal to 1 by 4 you got. Is it right? So total add it. Now add it. Then only you can check the answer. We can check the answer. A plus B is equal to 1. Shall we check the answer? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. How much will get 4 by 4? So our answer is correct, is it right? Totally 1. So at equilibrium, this is correct. But you need to write the market share in percentage, is it right? So 3 by 4 means how much percentage? 75%. So rest of is B, is it right? And the market share of brand B is how many? How much percentage? 1 by 4 means 25%. Yes, totally there will be 100%. So 75% is for brand A, brand B for 25%. Understand this all the things. Okay. So I just recall that is one problem we had did in Cramer's rule. I gave some works to do. So now I started the next section, transition probability matrix. Here also we have completed one problem. Here some more problems are left in this section. So students, study thoroughly, study everyday portion, take it in everything in your notes. We won't repeat it again. So please students, take your notes correctly and maintain your classworks and do the homeworks properly. So rest of the, so example 1.25 completed. In the next class, we will continue from example 1.26. Be safe. Thank you students. We will meet in the next class.